My Lord, increase me in knowledge. Rabbi zidni ilma. May this gathering be a source of learning, inspiration, and gratitude. And those who know equal to those who do not know. Indeed, knowledge elevates, guides, and enlightens. With this profound reminder that all knowledge is a divine gift, I, Dr. S. Syed Tajuddin, wholeheartedly welcome you all to the valedictory ceremony of National Science Fair 2025, jointly organized by C. Abdul Hakim College, Mel Visharam, and OMIAT. Today marks the celebration of creativity, curiosity, and scientific spirit, the very qualities that derive progress and innovation. To begin the proceedings with divine blessings, I invite Hafiz U. Muhammad Asjad of 2nd BCom to recite a few verses from the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء رفعها ووضع الميزان.
All of you to raise for the Tamil devotional song. It is my honor to invite Dr. S.A. Sajid Sir, Dean, C. Abdul Hakim College, to deliver the welcome address.
Allahi wa barakatuhu. Good evening, everybody. I deem it a proud privilege to welcome you all for the valedictory function of the National Science Fair 2025, jointly organized by the C. Abdul Hakim College, Autonomous Mel Visharam, and the OMIAT. And this is the 18th fair organized successfully by the OMIAT. Give him a big hand. The credit goes to the three people I can openly say, Dr. Kamal Nasser and Dr. Muhammad Hanif, our executive board member, and Mr. Fazal. These people are working hard day and night for the past 4 months. Our hearty congratulations to the people whose hard work has made it possible. At the outset, I am very much delighted to welcome the president of this function, Janab A. Muhammad Ashraf Sahib, the president of OMIAT, for gracing this occasion. Being at this age, he was very kind enough to travel from Chennai to just attend this valedictory function. Our wholehearted welcome to you, sir. I take it a proud privilege to welcome the General Secretary of Mel Visharam Muslim Education Society, who is the backbone of all our institutions, which is actively involved in promoting the education among the youth. And we are very proud to say that we are catering to the needs of the 16,000 students from in and around Male Visharam. The society is providing good and standard education for more than 100 decades. It has completed 100 years and now it is passing towards excellence. I profoundly welcome all the members of Male Visharam Muslim Education Society for their wholehearted support and cooperation for this important function organized in this campus. I am very much delighted to welcome our chief guest, Dr. S. Vincent, Member Secretary, Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology, and Mr. K. Abdul Hakim, the scientist, engineer, G, and Deputy Director, ISRO. We are all just thinking of Earth, and he is planning for the world which is beyond his kind. And we are very fortunate to have two gallant gentlemen amongst us on this validity function. We are very happy to welcome Dr. M.M. Kamal Nasser, Mr. S.V. Muhammad Hanif, Janab Ibn Saud Saab, and other office bearers of OMIET, and Mr. Fazal, who has actually involved in organizing this historic occasion. Yeah, Nijar Akhtar is also there with the joint secretary. I am very proud to welcome these people amidst us. It is my profound duty to welcome our correspondent and other staff members, our college principal, and all the staff members, both teaching and non-teaching staff. Have got the.
Now we feel proud and honored to welcome all the dignitaries by traditional welcome of Mandling Ponnadai. I feel very great in requesting Janab S.Z. Abrar Ahmad Sahib, Secretary and Correspondent, C. Abdul Hakim College, Autonomous Male Visharam, to mantle the President of the function, Janab A. Muhammad Ashraf Sahib, President OMIET. Thank you, sir. We now request Janab A. Muhammad Ashraf Sahib, President OMIET, to kindly present a shawl and memento to our chief guest, Dr. S. Vincent, Member Secretary, TNS CST. And Mr. K. Abdul Hakim, Scientist. Thank you, sirs. He who not grateful to people is not grateful to Allah. Let this gesture symbolize our gratitude. A scientific mind is a curious mind, ever eager to explore the unknown. I now request Mr. S.V. Muhammad Hanif, ex-board member OMIET, to present the report of the National Science Fair 2025.
Assalamu alaikum and very good evening to one and all gathered here. Alhamdulillah, this is khaira.
Detailed presentation. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thus says by Nelson Mandela. I invite Professor Dr. M.M. Abdul Kamal Nasser, Joint Secretary OMIET and co-convener NSF 2025, to give the felicitation address.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected Chief Guest of this validity session, Mr. Abdul Hakim, Deputy Director, ISRO, Dr. Vincent, Member Secretary, Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology, our beloved President, Ashraf Saab, and Vice President Ziauddin Saab, and other dignitaries on the dais, of the dais. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
others, but the one who asks the right question. With great pride, I invite our esteemed chief guest, Mr. K. Abdul Hakim, scientist ISRO, to deliver the valedictory address.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening to all. So it's really a privilege for me to be standing in front of the honorable dignitaries on the dais, of the dais, proud students, their parents, teachers, and it's something like a homecoming for me, like Dean Saab was telling, no? So I am from the son of the soil. But more than that, as Dean was telling, I studied my 7th standard to 10th standard from Ambur. Last year I happened to be there in Ambur school where I studied. And when I was studying 9th standard in Ambur, I was part of my school team to participate in district level sports meet that was conducted by OMIAT in Mailisharam school, C. Abdul Hakim school. So I never dreamt those days that I will be here. Okay, but there were so many questions in my mind those days as a youngster, putting questions to the subject I learned. That's the reason I'm here. So that's what our colleague was telling, that it is not in the answer, it is in the question. So start questioning yourself from here onwards. So that's what I would like to request all of you present here. Students who have trained them, the organizers from C. Abdul Hakim, and the great OMIAT, and all others present here. I thank you one and all. Jazakumullah khair.
Respected Dr. Abdul Hakim, one of the chief guests along with me, respected President Ziauddin Sahib, Secretary of this college, Joint Secretary Dr. Abdul Kamal Nasser, Principal of this great college, Sahir Ahmed, and Dr. Syed, Dean, faculty members, and my dear young scientist. I am extremely happy to be here. More than anybody, I am with a great joy because I had a privilege to inaugurate first such a very important fair way back 18 years back. Even today I remember Hauser, he always says, as he rightly pointed out, we cannot train the student for science exhibition. We should train the student for science fair so that they will emerge as a scientist. Today I could see that more young scientists are seated here with their innovation and creativity, and they are with the product and process. I really congratulate all the students who has participated in a very important annual event and promoting yourself as
for proposing the vote of thanks. And it is an honor to express our sincere thanks to the president of today's function, Ali Janab A. Muhammad Ashraf Sahib, President OMIAT. Thank you, sir, for presiding over this occasion and for constantly uplifting and support every academic initiative that shapes the future of our students. We feel privileged to have been inspired by the presence of our distinguished chief guest, Ali Janab K. Abdul Hakim, scientist, engineer and Deputy Director ISRO, Government of India, Hyderabad, and Professor Dr. S. Vincent, Member Secretary, Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology, Government of Tamil Nadu. Your motivating valedictory addresses and the gracious presentation of awards have added enormous value to this event. Your words will surely serve as a guiding light for our budding scientists. We sincerely thank the General Secretary of MMES, Ali Janab S. Ziauddin Ahmad Sahib. A silky heart overflows with milk of human kindness. Our college correspondent, Ali Janab S.Z. Abrar Ahmad Sahib, a sparkling sapphire of goodwill.
I request all of you to rise for the national anthem. Alhamdulillah, with the blessings of Allah, we have successfully concluded today's valedictory function. Thank you all for your presence, participation and support. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.